Welcome back to the Earths Suckhole and Scare Month. We're doing another mukbang. I know Scare Month has been all over the place, but you know what they say, when you're watching the Earths Suckhole, you don't really know what the fuck is going on. Anyways, I got these cookies. So, welcome back to Scare Month. Okay, let's get a thumbnail. This way. Like this. Down there like this. Yeah, get that fucking glare off of there. Oh, I was holding my breath for some reason. I'm out of breath now. These are like those sugar cookies. I got them at Walmart. Am I going to hold them up in view the whole time? I don't think these things through. I just popped the camera on and decided to do this. I really want to eat dinner, but I was like, I need to do a video, so let's just eat a whole box of cookies for dinner. Someone's telling me to start with a purple one. I'm going to try to eat the whole box. It's so dry. Oh, it moistens. Oh, this is going to be hard to do. Look at that, yum yum. I don't know why, but my jaw hurts. This isn't easy. It was so good though. I can't ever do this many mukbangs in a single month again. I wish I had like a glass of milk. I'm gonna try to do it without milk. I really need a glass of milk. is a terrible decision to eat just for dinner. Like, I should have had a little bit of real dinner and then done this, but I'm an idiot. I'm not even going to eat any dinner. I just ate cookies tonight. You know what I haven't had yet this year? Candy corn. I don't eat candy corn. Imagine like me getting a big bag of candy corn doing a mukbang of that. Just trying to get sugar sweats. Oh, almost fell down. Man, they're good cookies though. My cat's meowing. I'm eating cookies. Because it's on camera for YouTube. It's not stupid. You're stupid. I'm sorry, that was too harsh. You're not stupid. You're fluffy and beautiful. What? Don't just hold your fish up in the air like that. I get it, bro. I get it. You're on the nip. This might be the last cookie. Like, I don't think I can eat any more after this. In a short period of time, I went from very hungry to just never wanting to eat again. Yeah, this is the last bit. I can't do the last 3 cookies. I can't do it. I can't do it. I eat them very fast. I don't know why. I'm not like a speed eater. Like, why am I trying to eat them so fast, bro? Hey, that's. I was like, in my head, I was like, I'll eat this box of cookies, and then I'll edit it and upload it, and then I'll do another mukbang. I'm gonna edit and upload this and go to fucking sleep. Full of cookie. Full of cookie. What a mistake. Should I eat another one? No, I can't do it. I can't do it. I actually can't do it. It was like a piece of chicken. I'd be like, oh, I try to take a bite, but it's sugar. I can't keep doing that to myself. My body is like pushing out of my pores. It's okay. I would pick her up and like show her to you, but she will bite me because she's in a mood right now. Because she's on the nip. You can email us at earthsuckhole@gmail.com. Please subscribe. Like this video and subscribe if you made it this far. Why not? And until next time, stay spooky scary. I'm gonna try to pick her up. Hang on a second. Come here. Hey. You're gonna be on YouTube. Okay. Bye-bye.